Hello, I had cataract surgery.
Why did you decide to do surgery?
One of the main problems with the cataracts was night driving, especially if the weather was bad, if it was raining, with the glare of the different lights from not only the cars, but lights from the buildings and things reflecting off the pavements. It really bothered me, I got to the point where I didn't want to do any more night driving at all.
Do you mind sharing, why did you come to us?
I came because of my optometrist. They said, I want to get somebody that's close by. I don't want to go to Herndon or a different place. I want to stay within the area. And I want somebody that's good. He recommended Dr. Nguyen.
So now that the cataract is gone, do you find that some things are easier? That you're able to do some things you couldn't do for a while?
Everyday things, yeah, it's great. Working around the house and I don't use the glasses at all. Just for reading, like reading a newspaper, but just everyday things, I don't use them.
Let's say that you're talking to your best friend in the world, someone who needs it done, they know they need it done, but they're scared. What would you tell them?
If someone needs it, my God, don't put it off. I would never tell anybody to get it done, get it out of the way, because once you have it, you tell them you don't have to get them anymore. Once you have the implants. And there is a tremendous difference. Unbelievable.
Wow.
So I got nothing but good things to say about it. In fact, I was really amazed how good it went. And the overall improvement, I mean, it's just, I still rave about it to people.